Mr. Daniel Obo has opined that PDP in Cross River State has no formidable opposition that can oust the incumbent administration of Senator Ben Ayade, asserting that Ayade will have a small ride back to the government house in the forthcoming general election. Obo, speaking to Cross River Watch TV in Calabar when fielding questions regarding his return to PDP from APC, made the postulation.
The point is that people, out of selfish interests, out of personal gains and unnecessary show of power, forgetting the will of the people, that it must always prevail. You know, I begin to imagine that someone has failed. Pali, if you look at this state, there is nobody with a political school for the younger generation. Nobody. There is nobody with a direction for the younger generation. There is nobody who has sat down to feel that, okay, as I'm sitting down here as governor, I'm sitting down here as senator, I'm sitting down as a federal house member, I need to open a school of thought where I'm going to have a succession that, for instance, at a certain age, I can no longer move, I can still feed and reach out. I can still do so. Now, Senator Ben Ayade came. The only anger they have with him is that he has gone out of the old way, back to embrace the younger generation. That is the only offense. If Ayade returns back and sack all of us, and take their recommendation of their H-men and their peer group, is a perfect man. They will lure us into working for them. Let me tell you, in 2019, in each local government, we will resist. In each local government in Cross River, we will resist. I keep telling people that the PDP does not have an opposition at the moment. They don't have. Governor Ben Ayade at the moment does not have opposition until it is certain that the Minister for Niger Delta is running elections. That is where the Governor Ben Ayade will have opposition. But for now, it's aggrieved PDP members that are going to express themselves in the other flank. If the Minister for Niger Delta, it becomes very obvious that he's flying the flag of the APC, I can tell you that we are contesting elections with the opposition. But with what we have here on ground, it is PDP versus PDP, and the higher PDP will win, landslide. And if it remains like this, that means there is no election. It's just a walkover. Yes, it's just a walkover. Because when you talk about opposition, you're talking about the Minister for Niger Delta. You can't be talking about the opposition and you talk about those who are going to run elections in the PDP, in the APC, who lost elections in PDP, for instance. I mean, let me tell you a story. Engineer Powers Okpa, my principal, ran for federal house. Edme Okon was state chairman. We got there, he drove us away that we should go to Etum. Etum was not the federal constituency headquarters. Why did he send us to Etum if he did not collect bribe? Why? Why did he send us to Etum? The situation we found ourselves, at the end of the day, at the Bubra Junction, they sent police and army, chased everybody away, passed with materials to Etum. Dick Parry came and gave him Etum for Okon the result. He announced Senator John Awajano as the flag bearer of the PDP as of then. And so today they are saying Gesture should return. It is an offense. Gesture should return. It is an offense. Meanwhile, the same you gave people return ticket for free. What I mean for free, what I mean is that you gave people return ticket. You gave people return tickets to go to second tenor state house, second tenor federal house, second tenor senate. And then today, another state chairman is seated. He's giving the same concession. You're saying no. Are you God? You get that, sir? You're not God. And so when such people leave, you fail election in 2 weeks. You fail election in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you're a deputy governor candidate. Is that not funny? Does that show you that? Are you saying that from inception in that other party, there is nobody there qualified to be a deputy until somebody leaves PDP and fail election and go there? Who did he go with? Who? When Nemesis catches up with people feel like our generation should suffer it. The project of Ayade, I can tell you that politics is not a do or die affair, but I am telling you that we are going to resist. We are going to resist the attack on Governor Ben Ayade. He's a perfect gentleman. He's not violent. He doesn't like trouble. He runs Cross River State like everybody's business. He gets everybody involved in running Cross River State, both the young and the old. People talk about road potholes. You and I know that it's only in December that Cross River State looks bright from the days of Donald.
He revealed that the choice of returning to PDP is because APC has no plan for its Obubra people, which is his priority in politics, and won't support any party that doesn't cherish Obubra. Favor active for Cross River Watch TV.